Stress is your body's way of responding to any kind of demand or threat. When you sense danger, whether it is real or imagined, the body's defenses kick into higher gear in a rapid automatic process known as a fight or flight reaction, or the stress response. The stress response is the body's way of protecting you. When working properly, it helps you stay focused, energetic, and alert. In emergency situations, stress can save your life, giving you extra strength to defend yourself, for example, or spurring you to slam on the brakes to avoid a car accident, for example. Stress can also help you rise to meet challenges. It's what keeps you on your toes during a presentation at work. Sharpness your sharpens your concentration when you're attempting the game-winning free throw, or drives you to study for an exam when you'd rather be watching TV. But beyond a certain point, stress can stop being helpful as it starts to cause major damage to your health, mood, productivity, relationships, and your quality of life. Stress is a big factor in a lot of people's lives as it can affect them both positive and negative ways for different people, depending on your circumstance. However, it is usually thought to be a very negative thing for both physical and mental health. Stress can cause many different symptoms. It might be that how you feel physically or mentally, and how you behave also. Physical symptoms may include headaches and dizziness, muscle tension or pain, stomach problems, chest pain, or a faster heartbeat, whilst mental problems or symptoms may include difficulty in concentration, struggling to make decisions, feeling overwhelmed, constantly worrying, or being forgetful. Stress is often experienced due to a busy lifestyle, work or education, or situations at home as examples. Stress isn't always bad. In small doses, it can help you perform under pressure and motivate you to do your best. But when you're constantly running in emergency mode, your mind and body pay the price. If you frequently find yourself feeling overwhelmed, it's likely that you need to take a step back and try to sort it out through medical help. In the past year, 74% of people have felt so stressed that they have been overwhelmed and or unable to cope. 30% of older people reported that never feeling overwhelmed. 30% of older people reported to never feel overwhelmed or unable to cope in the past year, compared to 7% of young adults. 46% of people reported that they ate too much or ate unhealthily due to their stress levels in their life that they currently had. 29% of people say that they started drinking or increased their drinking levels, and 16% of people said that they started smoking or increased the amount that they smoked due to the stress they had in their life they were currently dealing with. 51% of adults felt so stressed and depressed, and 61% of adults were reported to be feeling anxious due to their work and education, and in some cases their life at home, which caused them to have extreme levels of stress. Of the people who said that they had felt stress at some point in their lives, 16% of those people had self-harmed, and 32% of them said they had suicidal thoughts and feelings, which is extremely bad because obviously that's them thinking about getting rid of all that they have, and it's a serious problem that needs to be dealt with by medical help. 37% of adults were reported to be feeling stressed and feeling lonely as a result of all this. The short-term effects of stress may include you feeling butterflies in your stomach or even pain. It could include nausea or even vomit in some cases. Your appetite can change and you can have diarrhea, constipation, or heartburn due to stress. The long-term effects of stress can be that it can lead to severe chronic pain and changes in your eating habits. You can also develop acid reflux due to stress. A big influencer of stress is age. For example, teenagers are frequently stress down to workload from their way of education, whether that be college, school, or even uni. For teenagers, the primary cause of stress is exams and deadlines. However, for middle-aged adults, the main cause of stress is their job or the inability to financially support themselves, because they have to be able to work to be able to pay the bills, buy food for them and potentially their children as well. So feeling stressed can have many negative effects on the body mentally and physically.